to Fashion Wednesday on MX24 TV. My name is the Daphne Flashley. I'm always excited for Wednesday mornings because I get to talk to your favorite fashionistas, your favorite personalities, those who make it happen on the red carpets, on the runways, and so much more. Now, ladies and gentlemen, so what you have to do, just sit back, relax, and let's dive into Fashion Wednesday and get talking to Boatemaa. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Boatemaa is a fashion model. She's also please tell me more. So
Okay.
you're a fashion model. Let's name it. Number one.
Yes, I do commercials and beauty.
Commercials and beauty.
I'm also a special child facilitator.
Special child facilitator.
Yes.
What's that? What's special child facilitator?
I assist an autistic child.
Oh wow.
Yes.
That's amazing. When did you start? When did you go into this?
So after senior high school, I was searching for a job and I didn't even learn anything about it. It was one woman who called me to tell me about it, and she was like, because I'm patient and calm, so she knows I'll be able to do it, and she trained me for it. So that's what I've been doing now.
That's what you've been doing, and then fashion embraced you.
Yes.
it engulfed you.
I've always loved fashion.
You've always loved fashion. How did fashion officially start for you?
So growing up, I used to love dressing up and taking pictures, and other people also encouraged me because they were like, they can see the potential in me. So I think that's how it started. And I took it seriously after senior high school.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah? So is it that you had a photographer friend somewhere who used to always pounce on you, let's take pictures here, like then that's when you professionally started?
Yes,
for you?
yes. I was actually dating a photographer, so it made it easier.
How did it go? How did it go?
Well, that's another story.
That's another story.
Yes.
Don't worry, we'll have you on an interview here to explain the side of the story. But that made it easy for you.
Yes.
Oh my
easy.
God, we were getting free photo shoots.
Oh, free
when people were
every day.
paying every day. Hey, I wish I was you, girl. And then let's talk about how you saw that this is what you wanted to do. Now, apart from you dating a photographer and this is how it started, was there any part of your career that maybe you did something and then this cemented the reason why you wanted to enter into fashion?
Yes, so I think when I get on projects and I see the impact, you know, like for instance, if a brand, when we are done working and then the brand is so happy with your work, they are like, oh, I love her personality. Or maybe if a photographer says that she makes my work easier, you know, all seeing the impact just make me realize that, oh no, I can actually build a career from it, not just use it as a hobby.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
And how's it been like so far? Has it been lucrative?
It's a bit, but it's all good. We are learning from it. I just love the experience.
You love the experience.
Yes.
Okay. What stages have you been on yet? Have you been on any stages yet?
Internationally, no, but within the country, I've been on a few, but I don't do runways.
Okay.
So yes, they are just collaborations and working with clothing brands. Yes, and other creatives.
Yeah. Talk to us about your collaborations. How do you get that done? Do you approach them or they approach you? How do you get all of that done? Do you have a manager?
No.
So you are doubling
Freelance.
down as your manager, as
Yes.
your makeup artist, as everything. How you getting it all done?
Sometimes the creatives reach out to me. Other times, I reach out to them, and if they are interested, we get working.
Yes, definitely. I think there are lots of people there who always think that there's something wrong with approaching people. Because sometimes approaching people is actually what will make you make it, you know?
Yeah.
You need to sell yourself out there. In selling yourself, you've taken social media very seriously. I see what you're doing. Big congratulations to you. Your social media is popping, girl. Trust me. How long did it take you to build your presence on social media?
Well, since I've always loved taking pictures, so I used to post. I was just posting, and then I realized, okay, I can actually arrange my feed properly to make it look more professional. So that's how it started.
That's how it started.
Yes.
And through when you started this career, I can see that you've met a lot of people, a lot of stylists. You've worked with a lot of people. Shout out to Leo. I mean, you've worked with Leo.
Yes.
How has it been like working with different kinds of stylists and different kinds of people in the industry?
It's been lovely. I'm just grateful meeting new people each day. Sometimes they even bring you other opportunities outside of the industry. So I'm grateful for the opportunities.
Yeah. What would you say is one of the most challenging parts about breaking, the industry that you find yourself? What's one of the challenges that you faced so far?
There are a couple of challenges. I think the main one is getting bookings and the rejections. Because sometimes you reach out to brands and they won't even respond. Not to talk of saying that, oh, we'll get back to you, and they won't even get back to you. You just need to keep going. Yes.
Yeah. Has there been any event that has happened where you've been so excited about? Which brand have you worked with that you've been really excited about?
I think Koala brand, because they keep
Yeah.
reaching out to me. I've
Yeah.
been their only model so far. It's a clothing brand.
Only model?
Yes.
Oh my God. You are chopping all your money. Anyway, let's look through some of your photos and then we'll keep talking more. Talk to us about this look.
Oh, so for this one, I shot it with Aptologist. Shout out to him. He's very good. We just wanted to create something African, right? Something African.
Ooh, I love the afro. I love how it looks on you. You have a very beautiful skin, by the way.
Thank
I'm sure you know that by now. A lot of people compliment you on that. Let's talk about this photo too. Who did you work on this with or for?
Okay, I worked on this with Demigod. He was the photographer, and the stylist was April Sonia from SSL Gallery.
Okay.
Yes, we wanted something, like a fashion couture sort of vibe.
No, and it's giving. It's giving. I love that. I love that. Let's get into more looks. Ooh, look at this one. Girl, you're an angel. Let's get into this look.
This was also by Aptologist. He did the manipulations, actually. I'm looking at this and I'm remembering, okay, it was manipulated because I know we only had the purple dress. There was none of that extra.
Yeah. But it doesn't matter. I mean, it looks amazing. I love the story. I love the storyline. Exactly. Yes. This is, let's talk about this look too.
Well, this was for my birthday shoot, but aside the glamorous one, we wanted to do a fashion editorial, so the therapist styled me for this one, and Chinese man photography and ASAP shot it.
Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this and many more looks is what you're going to get on Boatema's social media. Have you gotten to this part of fashion where you say that, okay, it looks like I'm bigging my game, I'm making it, this is why I entered into it in the first place?
I don't think I would say I've gotten to that part yet. Maybe I'm getting there. We are growing each day and we keep learning. So yes, I think I will surely get there.
Definitely.
Yes.
You will get there. I know that you get there, my girl. I mean, look at you.
Amen.
Which brands internationally do you want to work with?
So I would want to work with brands that celebrates the African culture. I just love how we are able to celebrate our culture through fashion. So imagine working with brands that make fabrics with, make clothes with African prints. I mean, yes, I would love to. But it would be nice to see me on the Shane website too.
Which one?
The Shane.
Oh, okay. I know that would definitely happen. You're just putting yourself out there, and that is exactly what you're doing. So for people who want to actually venture into fashion and they don't know how to go about it, what would you tell them?
They should first of all they should research more, do your research, because I think people think it's just about looking good and just going to a photographer to take pictures. No, you need to put in the work and invest in it, because when you're starting out, you won't be paid. You won't get people paying you. You will have to invest your time and money, the effort, and all of the work. So yes, they should do their research first of all. Know which type of modeling you want to do. If it's fashion, runway, you get a catwalk coach, or if it's beauty or commercials. Yes, so they should do the research and they should keep learning from others as
Yes,
well.
definitely. Please look at the camera. Let us know how we can follow your social media and everything. We want to plug you, okay? We want to get people to invite you for shoots here and there.
Ooh.
Exactly. Please do that for us.
So I am Miss Boatemaa. It's at Miss Boatemaa on all socials. Yes, you can reach me.
On all socials,
Yes.
Miss Boatemaa. Ladies and gentlemen, you've been watching Fashion Wednesday on MX24 TV. My name is Daphne Flashing. We're having a conversation with a model, fashion model, Boatemaa. Thank you so much, Boatemaa, for joining us today.
Thank you.
Definitely, we're going to keep seeing you rise above and above and above. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have more coming up. Do stay.